And today we're going to be looking at the DEERC HJ812. This is an RC boat. That's right. It looks like it's got a cool shark design on it. I don't know how fast it goes, but it says for 14 and older. 14 and older, has LEDs, and super fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it on the bench. We're going to open it up, see what all we get with the boat. Then we're going to charge it up, take it to the little pond there, and see just how fast it is. Let's do it. And check it out. You get your product manual right on top with all your easy to follow instructions and how to use. Here is the boat itself. Check this guy out. It's got a silver hull with the multicolored blue. Digital graphics. It says Shark DRC on it. You can see it has a metal shaft, a plastic prop. Here's a battery. I don't know if we get one or two, but we're going to find out. This is a 700 mAh 7.4 volt battery. Here's your full function remote control right here. Works on the 2.4 gigahertz band. What else do we have here? You have a charger, you have a wrench, and you have a spare prop as well. So if this falls off, you do get an extra one. And then you have inside a little stand for displaying and storing your boat. You don't want to be putting pressure on the rudder and the prop. Now to get inside, you just twist this right here. We're going to pop it off and we can see inside the boat. You got a big brush motor here that is water cooled, so it's very cool that this motor is water cooled. You have your electronics all the way up here in the front. They are fully sealed, so if you get water in here, you're not going to be in any kind of a trouble. And it is a single battery setup, and your battery slide it into the slot right here. Just like that. Then you put your top on. Now a thing to note, this does not have an off-on switch. When you plug the battery up, it is ready to go. So you don't want to be accidentally squeezing the trigger and activating this propeller whenever you turn this boat on. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pull the battery back out, push the little clip here to release it, and we're going to put this on charge, and then we're going to go take it out to the pond and we'll see how good it goes. So here we are. I have my assistant with me, Lizzie Joe, and we are going to drive this little boat on this big pond right here. So the first thing that they say about this boat is if it flips over, it'll right itself back up the correct way. So the way we're going to test that is we're just going to throw it in the pond. Let's go ahead, we're going to toss it out there and let's see how fast this little boat can go. So we have the battery in, we have the remote ready to go, we have power. All we have to do is get it to the water somehow. Let's see. There you go. Even though it landed crazy, it's right side up, so it does self-right. Now let's see. Let's go for a ride. It's not a bad little boat. It's not super quick. It probably does 10-12 miles an hour. But it does kick up a rooster tail. It does get on plane. It rides nice and smooth. It won't sink. Just an overall nice little RC boat.
I'm trying to keep cat. What? Okay.
Is that fun? Yay! Easy, huh? So as you can see, it's a super cool little RC boat. Great for the beginners, great for swimming pools, great for ponds, and it's just a really fun little shark boat by DEERC. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.